Hi. Today I am going to show you how easy and quick it is to set rivets using the Scell-it E-5 setting tool. The E5 is our versatile battery-powered tool for setting rivets 2.4 to 5 mm in all materials. First, check tool battery has at least 2 indicator battery lights. The E5 comes with a standard element 1 rechargeable battery and recharging unit. Now, choose the nose piece according to the diameter of the rivet to set. To install a nose piece, use the special wrench to unscrew the nose piece. Remove the nose piece. Press the trigger and screw the nose piece in. Use the special wrench to tighten the nose piece. To set a rivet, place the rivet mandrel into the nose piece. Place the rivet body in the hole of the assembling part. Press trigger until the mandrel breaks. Mandrel will eject into the collecting container. Fixing should be set firm and secure. As you can see, the E5 is simple and easy to set up, and easy to use.
For more information, go to www.scell-it.co.uk.